Hey guys, Dr. Axe here. Today I wanted to share with you my personal morning smoothie, what I consume almost every single morning for breakfast. And you know, I've tried a lot of different things in terms of different fruits, different flavors to see what I like the best. So this smoothie, one, it is super nutritious. It's high in collagen, it's high in antioxidants, it's high in fiber, it's high in healthy fats, but also it tastes amazing. So you're gonna love this recipe. So we're gonna start off here with 1 cup of either almond milk or coconut milk. You can sort of pick which one you like the best. Now coconut milk is great because it has MCTs, which really is probably the easiest type of fat for your body to burn as fuel. So MCTs have a lot of benefits. Almond milk has more monounsaturated fats. Almond milk is also high in an amino acid called L-arginine, which is great for strength and your cardiovascular system. So I'm gonna add in, today I've got some almond milk here. So 1 scoop of almond milk. When you're buying any type of milk, when it's a plant-based milk, it's great to look for organic or just something that's a really clean, healthy brand with less ingredients is better. All right, so we got some healthy fat there in this almond/coconut milk. The next thing I'm gonna add in here are frozen cherries. Now, cherries oftentimes don't get the same press as blueberries, but cherries are one of the most antioxidant-rich superfoods on the entire planet, and they taste amazing, especially when combined with chocolate flavor. So I'm gonna add either about 1 cup of frozen cherries there into this green. You can do anywhere from a half a cup to a full cup of that fruit. And so again, we're getting lots of antioxidants in the cherries. The next thing I'm gonna add in is some chia seed powder, okay? Now chia seeds were used by Aztec warriors, okay, many years ago, and they were known to really help support your energy levels. Now chia is high in protein, high in omega-3 fatty acids, high in fiber, so we're gonna add in about a teaspoon there of chia. You could also add in flax or hemp. Both of those are great as well. I'm picking chia here today in my superfood smoothie. All right, another few ingredients here. We got a couple more. I'm gonna talk about this antioxidant powder in a minute, but I'm gonna add in bone broth protein. This is by Ancient Nutrition, and the chocolate flavor, okay? Now, here's the great thing is that typically, I used to make bone broth for years. You know what? It would take me 24 to 48 hours to make a good bone broth. In fact, that's how long it would take me to make it. Chelsea and I would drive from Nashville down to Franklin, Tennessee, 30-minute plus drive, and then we'd get our organic chicken bones, we'd make it back to the house, and it just was really time consuming. And then we came out with bone broth protein, and we're getting the same quality bone broth we got at the farmer's market now in powder form with great flavors like this that we could add into smoothies. So, I always try and get at least 1, but ideally I try and get 2 to 3 servings of bone broth in my diet every single day. And the reason I do bone broth over a lot of other types of protein powder is it's paleo friendly, keto friendly, also it's gut friendly, which most protein powders are. Not only does it have all that collagen, it has hyaluronic acid, glucosamine, chondroitin, all of those things in this 1 single powder. So it's great for kids, adults, everybody should be getting at least 1 serving, but ideally 2 to 3 servings of bone broth and collagen a day. Now here's another secret ingredient. This is acai berry powder. Now, to be honest, I ran out of it. I didn't order it in time for this video. So the other thing I typically use instead, I typically do either goji berry powder or pomegranate powder in this smoothie. So you can order those online. You can pick them up at your health food store. That's either goji berry powder or pomegranate powder. And I add that into smoothie because I'm out today. I'm gonna add in just a little bit of acai berry powder there, but usually I do a full tablespoon of pomegranate or goji powder. The reason I love those 2 powders is they are loaded with antioxidants. Those antioxidants are great for anti-aging. They protect your body from any type of UV sun damage, and they also are just in general just great for preventing oxidation. You know what happens as we age, as we oxidize? You ever take a bite of an apple, it turns brown? That's oxidation. That can happen to our skin, that can happen to our insides. Antioxidants help with that. Some of the most powerful are those super berries from around the world. Again, goji and acai and pomegranate are some of the best. Now the last ingredient in the smoothie is pumpkin pie spice, just a little bit. Now you can also just add cinnamon if you have cinnamon in your home. The thing I love about pumpkin pie spice is it's got cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, and ginger, and has a great flavor. So I just do a couple dashes there of those antioxidants of the pumpkin pie spice, okay? And so again, all the things I put in the smoothie, remember, we got the almond or coconut milk, 1 cup, 1 scoop of bone broth protein, 1 cup of frozen cherries, antioxidant powder, and a couple dashes there of pumpkin pie spice, or if you don't have it, cinnamon works great as well. And we're simply gonna blend this up here, and I will be drinking some of this because this is my smoothie and I love it. All right, here we go. Get this going. All right. This is so fast and easy. This is why, I mean, this is sort of my go-to recipe. You know, when I ran my functional medicine practice in Nashville, Tennessee, and all my patients coming in, I mean, this is really the first sort of thing that I have all my patients start to take is I have them start consuming a superfood smoothie every morning for breakfast. And if you're not consuming a superfood smoothie daily, you're really missing out. It's one of the greatest ways to get all of these nutrients. We're talking collagen, healthy fats, antioxidants, super herbs and spices all together. I didn't even mention cinnamon. I mean, cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde, which can naturally support your blood sugar, help energy levels, metabolism, all these great benefits. I'm gonna try this out. This is really frothy, creamy, absolutely delicious. So this is a great recipe that I think you and your family are gonna love. And listen, you can swap out ingredients. If you don't have frozen cherries, it's okay. Add in frozen blueberries or raspberries are actually another great thing to pair with a chocolate here. If you don't have coconut milk, use almond milk and vice versa. But again, doing a general smoothie like this every single day, and I oftentimes do it twice a day because I do this smoothie first thing when I wake up in the morning, and then a lot of times I do it in the afternoon as a snack after my workouts. I'll do this around the time of my workouts as well, sort of recovery there, because we all know we need more collagen around that time as well. So again, I hope you've enjoyed this recipe on how to make a smoothie that's loaded with collagen, that's loaded with nutrients. And again, this is my personal recipe of what we make in the Axe household almost every single morning. And if you want to learn more about how to make some healthy recipes, make sure to check out my YouTube channel. Hey, I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to make a superfood smoothie.